Cavite Representative Revilla has gone on self-quarantine. He's doing it after his brother, Senator Bong Revilla, tested positive for COVID-19. In a Facebook post, Strike said he was with Bong on the senator's last exposure outside his home, when the family marked the 40th day of their father's death. The lawmaker said he decided to isolate himself even though he's not feeling any symptoms. In the same post, he asked for prayers for the recovery of his brother.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.